What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you saw the title, you already know we are trying Arctic Fox's new shade that they just released as of the time I'm filming this a few weeks ago. But I ordered it and I'm going to be using it today. That is Space Cowgirl, their new neon green. Ironically, this came out literally a day before I posted my Arctic Fox Dye versus Dye on the Arctic Fox greens. At the time, I was actually wondering why they don't have a neon green. But then the Phantom Green actually came out kind of like a lime green itself. Not like bright neon, but it was definitely not like what I thought it was going to be. Anyway, you can go back and watch that and see what I mean if you want. But anyway, I was a little annoyed by that, but I wasn't going to go through and refilm the whole thing. That's just not happening. So I figured I'll just use it on myself and we will find out that way. So I'm going to be using this on my roots, and for my ends I'm going to be using Neon Moon, which is their neon yellow, and I think it's going to look awesome. I am a tad bit concerned about how it's going to come out on top here. I have a lot of warm tones still in there, which could make it like a little dingy. I hope not, but who knows. I'm going to do it anyway, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and get these in the bowls and put my gloves on and get started. Okay, all applied, and I'm gonna let this sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Then rinse in cold water, come back and show you those results. Here it is. Oh man, I love it so much. I don't think I mentioned this, but green is my favorite color of all time. And like my comfort colors are green, rainbow, and pink. I think I look the best with those. I feel, especially green and pink, I feel like just like looks really good on me. The ends look kind of like a lime green. I'm not sure if that's from runoff from the Space Cowgirl or not, but either way, I'm not mad about it. I think it looks awesome. Let me show you the back. When it's not curled, it's not as obvious, but being curled, you can probably see the little bit of dinginess down here. You also probably can't tell right now, but my hair is growing out to kind of like a mullet because the back is obviously growing down and the top is still way up here. So I might just get those cut off anyway. Maybe I'll end up spot bleaching them. I don't know. But it's only really visible when my hair's curled or if I like put it up in a ponytail, which isn't even really possible now anyway. So probably just not gonna worry about that for now. But yeah. I'm gonna try to keep this for a while too. I have like over a month of videos pre-filmed, so I could definitely afford to keep this for a while and just enjoy being green for a while. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.